right? I look ugly if I never wear a toner.
You look pale.
I want to try to do like this. Do you think I'll look good? Hey guys, it's me Khesyinii here. So today, I know I'm looking a little crusty here right now, but today I'm gonna do something very different, which is me transforming into an eagle. Okay, so what's eagle? I kind of know what's eagle. It's like this type of gothic girls on TikToks and stuff like that. But let me show you guys the proper definition of eagle. So eagle is, in a simple words, eagle is a term now used to describe a specific look that certain girls can have on platforms such as TikTok, Visco, or even online gaming platforms. Okay, the most common and recent definition of eagle is used for the young girls on the app TikTok, but there are also previous definitions for the word. So let me insert a few pictures for you guys. So I am going to try to do this look, but I'm not gonna do it alone. So let me welcome you guys, my sister. She has 33.5k followers on TikTok, so literally a TikTok famous. Having her in my video is the most recommended on the comment section down below, so I would like to do this eagle look with my sister. So you know what's eagle, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so I hope you have something on your mind. Before that, let me tell you guys that we both are the natural makeup lovers, where we will just like put on some nude or very natural kind of pink eyeshadows and some eyeliners, and we are done. Like such a simple makeup, but this is like eagle, something more different. So this is gonna be a fun journey. You guys are gonna just see me messing up my eyeliners because I can never put my eyeliner straight. You guys are gonna see me shaming myself, like legit. I'm barefaced now. I have done with my skincare and she does too. So we totally have different routine of makeup. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm gonna start with Professional by Benefits, which as my primer.
I'm going to use Silky Girl BB cream.
We are not the professional. So now I am going to place my red lipstick. It's okay. Why are you looking at me like I'm doing? That's the one thing that she can only say in front of the camera and not outside.
I say, okay.
Like they can make it so soft. At the moment they are so rough in games. And I am going to use the MAC. I'm going to use this MAC Studio Fix foundation. It has SPF 15 in it. Yes, I spoiled the cap. I can't press the foundation on, so I'm going to use the tube.
It's pink.
Yes, there's no rules in makeup unless you just remove it in the end. Blend, 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 blend. You know the TikTok girl? Blend, 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 blend. You want to say anything to the YouTube?
Like and subscribe and share the link to everyone until the link reach to the whole world.
Oh. Okay, thank you so much. I'm going to continue. Okay, concealer time. Should I conceal? Yes, I should. Okay, I am going with a black eyebrow pencil. Should I go with eyebrow or eyeshadow? I think I'm going with my eyebrow first. I know it's gonna turn out good in the end. Even though my baking one is up, one is down, I know it's going to go well in the end. Oh my god, the drawing! I need my eyebrow. Okay, I think I wanna conceal my eyes more because I'm going for bright blue. Ta-da! I'm going to go with a matte blue crease.
Okay guys, I'm using the Tarte fake eyelashes. You can see. I'm going to draw kind of design on my face, like here. Love, little love.
I bought the like separate color, but I attached it all in here. You guys see that? I'm gonna go with that blue right there at the front here without cutting my crease. I'm using Sephora thin line, fine line felt liner for this front.
Actually guys, eyebrow I will just draw half of it. I won't draw in front. I will leave it natural because I already have a thick eyebrow.
I'm going with a Brayon Empire falsies, which is so cute, guys. Okay, I got this lash glue from Dyson. So I'm going in with my Fever Glam mascara also for volumizing. And I am done. How about you?
I also done, and I went with pink color.
And I went with blue. Since we are done with our makeup, we are gonna get our hair done, and I'm not gonna show the process of we getting our hair done in the camera because it's gonna take so long. So in the count of 3, we will get our hair done.
3, 2, 1.
Ta-da! Okay, I'm done with my hair. As you guys
I
can see,
also done.
I'm gonna add on some diamond on my eyeshadow here. Add our jewelries. So I'm gonna show you guys the final reveal once I put on my earrings and my watch and my outfit. So I hope you guys enjoy our eager look, and don't forget to like,
Subscribe
and comment down below what video you guys want next, and I will be happily doing it for you guys. So until then, see you guys. Mwah.